Yo, thanks for tuning in. It's prime time, till the sunshine. Shut up, let's get it. We're going to the week.
Brandy ones.
Your boy Good Luck and Colin.
If you enjoy the show, and hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's go, guys. So today we're back with a 7-in-1 K-pop diversity, and we're starting with Sserafim Hot. All right. It's been a minute, man. I'm excited to see the comeback of Sserafim. Okay, starting in hot.
Hot in snow.
I know.
Hot in winter. Wow, the quality. Black and white, but you can see this. Alright. Yeah.
Don't be afraid.
Hey. Alright.
Sserafim. Wow.
We're batting hot, man. Watch it.
I loved how they were singing from the second verse.
Mm.
This is where they were singing for so good.
For me, I love the beat.
The beat reminded me of a song.
Like, and they're singing on top of it.
Ah.
Something new to the Sserafim. This type of music is kind of different. It's just released today. Dang.
5 hours ago.
That's a Friday, in case you're watching this on a Saturday. Epic song from Sserafim. It's definitely a new type of vibe.
That's someone you hear you want to dance.
Yeah.
Ah, the video. The video was all over the place, bro. I never knew you can light a candle or you can light something with a taser.
That's what's a taser.
Yeah, because it tastes.
Oh,
Like,
it's taser.
it tastes.
You can
see that.
experiment
So you
and
have
try.
the taser.
I have a taser.
Let's try it.
Let's try.
That's right.
Let's light
We
your
have a-
Live experiment in the reaction.
Let's
Where's
light
the
your
candle?
heart
On your dreads.
Where's the candle?
on your dress.
The candle is my dreads.
So 700 then.
Good thing, except for good luck, all of you have candle.
That is too short.
And we can start.
You look-
Good luck, you're saved. You're saved. We don't need to ban.
I'm getting dreadlocks for you lots.
Eh? Will the dreadlocks fit? Eh?
What do you mean?
It's my feet. My feet.
I feel like I'm isolated from the great dreadlock days.
Bruh,
Don't worry, I'll join the club.
I think it's the water.
It's the water.
Your hairs are not growing back. Are they feeling
Hard,
old?
hard, bro.
Hot?
Yeah.
It's been 3 years, bro.
Hard, hard, bro. You know one thing about the song, I
Yeah.
like,
Tell us.
Okay.
the video was artistic.
Mm-hmm.
There was a
This way it's shaped.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
how can you explain
Very
it.
artistic.
The colours of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the gold and the gold color of the was very epic.
Mm.
And the dance, bro. We see a moonwalk there.
Yeah.
A
Yeah,
sick
little bit
moonwalk,
like-
you know,
Okay.
slow moonwalk.
And
It was
even the
epic.
beat, it's about those
Type of songs.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's epic, man. Something that's you didn't know you need to watch.
Yeah.
Really. All right, so we're going to 17 Woozy and Hoshi, Stupid Idiots. So this is a B-side from the album. Remember they said it was a small album?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a special video. Small mini album. Alright, so Special Idiots, subtitles here. Stupid Idiots. Special video.
Okay. Okay.
You have the same phone? Color. Yeah, that's okay. Damn, those outfits. Oh. Piano. Dancing in the party, teriyaki. Drive like an idiot.
There's a clap. Is it the clap? Are you finally there?
Yeah, the cloud. Everybody holds.
Yeah. Come. Hands flat. Come
They're preparing the whole day for that.
on. That's one reason there.
Yeah, the room, the club, the home is the club. Like a house party, but the two of them.
I like it.
I like
Oh,
it.
Yo.
I guess you think,
it's just the two of them.
yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Beam. The name of the album is called Beam.
That was a very good concept. It's like a vertical. This is vertical.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vertical
The whole
video.
Like a reel.
Yeah, like a reel, type of real video, special video. But it's a reel, but it's like shot with a camera. Sometimes you can see it looks like phone camera, but there's sometimes like real camera. Very good idea. And what you're seeing in the video is what they're trying to say. They're going stupid. They wanted to go to the club, right? You're not seeing them in the club yet, but they're like preparing to go there. Like the video and the audio, it's similarity, like it's similar. It goes. You know, sometimes when you watch the songs, the video is different. The audio is completely different. You end up getting confused. This song is all about good vibes, bro. You know, it's called Stupid Idiots, but it's all about with the song. You can see the two of them the way they're just together, right? Going like two friends, like
And
they're
when
going
you
to
have
the club.
two friends who are very close,
Yeah,
and you stupid sometimes.
Yeah.
You do crazy stuff.
yeah, for sure.
That's when you get happy.
Even the outfits, the way they look, they wear, like it's amazing. It's colorful and nice song. Nice song from the, what's the name? Wushi? You call them Wushi. Everyone was laughing at your comment. It was like Wushi. But there was like, you're right though. Yeah, so now we're going to EXO Xiumin. Release a song called Wee. Yeah. My boy Xiumin, man.
Outfit, bro. The outfit is.
Yeah. Oh, there's no subtitles for we, okay? Yeah. Got the earring, the glasses, shades. One eye is different. Blue elephant.
Blue stuff.
The Lego toys. Like the pixels. Second the P.
Okay. Second one?
Okay.
X. X. X.
Huh.
Interview X.
Interview X.
Yeah.
Mm. How was it?
I had so many details.
A lot.
A lot to process.
It makes you be like, wee.
It makes me like,
Like Nintendo. Everything going on.
There's a lot going on in the
I
video.
wish we had the
What about the audio?
lyrics.
What about the audio? How does it sound like? How's the song in general?
So,
Feel-
I can't explain it. This feeling. You get when you listen to this song. Like be free, you know. When
Are you trying to rhyme?
in your earpods,
Yeah.
you'll understand it. It's
Yeah.
like when you are there and then you feel free. You
Just
can
laying back.
dance, you can do anything.
Okay.
It was nice. It was nice. Shout out to Xiumin, man. I'm happy seeing this was the second EP. So this is the title track because it has a music video. Let us know in the comments. So going to video number 4 on Atari. Remember we watched this video with 80s Hongjun SME, and we have previously watched the lyric video. So the video is here and we don't have subtitles. So just go. We're gonna enjoy. Like, yo, people like our song. We need to do a music video on June.
Sorry, get over here.
Remember the lyric video with the
If things were how you wanted them to be all the time, wouldn't that take the fun?
Lamborghini Huracan.
I don't care about any of us, she ain't living life like me.
Sings like
on
it.
Atari.
Should I be mad too? Should I be mad too?
This has somehow like the lyrical video. There was a car, there was 2 of
I
them.
had a Corolla, now I got a chauffeur. Keeping this shit on the road and running till it's over. Oh, I
Lamborghini, bro. Dang.
just to blow up, shoot 'em right now.
Let's go. Yeah. Alright.
Should I be mad too? Should I be mad too? Should I be mad
It's like the real life. He had the bubble hat.
Yeah.
And the real
yeah,
life, he
yeah.
had the same bubble hat and the hair.
It sounds like Yeet and Lil Uzi at the same time.
It seems like that's his persona.
Mm.
Very
I thought
interesting.
they will have a Corolla Pro in the video.
Yeah, it
He had a Lambo,
right? Okay, let's see. Oh, he has 3.4 million subscribers.
Yeah.
Damn. He likes having these cartoons, eh? You can see there's one here in Avalon. And we're being stalkers live. I'm trying to stalk his page. Too bad we ended the
Oh, the screen.
screen recorder. Too bad you guys couldn't stalk. That was a good video.
Yeah.
That was a very good video. And it looks like they met in one of one of each other tour.
Yeah.
At the
shows,
end.
yeah.
It looks like a tease tour because he was fully dressed.
Yeah.
Right? Honky. It was nice for the Atari. And we gave him an album, signed album. It was nice. It was a nice video. Good vibes, good cars, good chemistry between them. Alright, so now we're going to something new called Newbeat. Newbeat Jello. So the info is that Newbeat can be shortened to NBT. TNBT!
NBT.
NBT! If we add a T there, we need to wake up to NBT. They're reminding us.
Yeah.
It's been
It's
months.
your sign.
Definitely.
Okay.
NBT. We have a group called TNBT, and this one is called NBT. Alright, so it's a pre-debut boy group under Beat Interact. The group consists of 7 members. Park Min Sok, who was born in 2002, and he's the leader and he's the vocalist. He was a contestant in Boys Planet and he was
Ooh.
eliminated in episode 5 as number 61. Okay. And then we got Hong Min Sang, an all-rounder, and he was born in 2003. We got John Yo-Yo Jong. Yo-Yo Jong. He was his vocalist. He was born in 2005, and he was a member of T01. He's a former member of T01. And then we have Choi Seo-hyun. He's a rapper, and he was born in the year 2005. We got Kim Taeyang. He's a vocalist, 2006. Then we got Jo Yoon-ho. He's a vocalist, rapper, and he was born in the year 2007. And we finally have Kim Ryu, who's the Magne vocalist, and 2008.
They're really young.
2008, yeah. So they released the first pre-release title called Jello, and it's on March 5th, 2025. They'll be making their debut on March 24th, 2025, with the first full album, Raw and Rad. Alright, let's get to see Jello. So this is a pre-release track.
He's like 17. Is that a break?
It's a happy
J to the E to the LLO.
J to the E to the L, come on.
Red blood cells. Yo, that looks realistic. J to the E to the LLO.
That was a lot, like. The video.
Are you juggling 10
The video already had a lot.
A lot was happening. And it's just a 1 minute 41 seconds video.
That was 1 minute.
Yeah,
Wow.
but it has a lot of things.
Yeah.
Dang. Newbeat?
Huh.
Can't wait to see your debut,
Even
man.
that song itself is unique.
Very unique. The song is unique, the video is
It
unique.
was like a chant or something.
The video they were turning into anime, they're showing us
Yeah.
like red blood cells, everything was happening, bro. The Colossal Titans. And they got these very like good visuals, ain't gonna lie. They got good visuals. They almost look like the anime, bro. Like when they're comparing them, turning into anime and then back to them. Very good visuals, alright. So I think we're watching something else about Newbeat. It's a second pre-release song, it's called Hiccups. This is 137, so 3 seconds short than the other one. Jello. That doesn't look real.
Yo!
The creativity. Are you looking at the visuals? Woo. Turns out they can dance very well. It's like a hip hop group in this song. right? Hey. Hey. Anymore.
Yo!
Fine.
Wow.
Very different. Very
Hiccups.
different.
That song.
With the
I've
other
been singing
Hiccups
random for
songs
3 years, and
that we are used to.
Very different. You might think it's a hip hop,
Yeah,
Yeah,
they remind
especially
me
with
of
that song.
the girl group that had this song XXL.
Ah, the one like the hip hop
Yeah,
thing, like
yeah.
almost
Just
kind of
forgot.
the same vibes. I forgot their name.
Yeah,
Huh.
man, this new generation is different,
Yeah, definitely.
very different. Newbeat.
The
I think
typical.
their names speak for themselves.
Yeah.
Something within something
Yeah,
new, yeah.
something new into the
sauce.
game.
New, different. Okay.
Man.
Okay.
They,
Wow.
they're like brothers or grandfathers of they're called TNBT.
What?
Wait, what?
They're grandfathers or they're like
Cousins.
not cousins. You know, like when Hype and Debuted, their brothers in the label was BTS, right?
Yes,
So for them, like they're in a new label, but they just have like a similar name to their
Predecessor.
no, they're
Predecessor.
seniors. They're seniors. They call TNBT. But I call them grandfathers because they're already old, very old.
That's the NBT.
Yeah, like their youngest, imagine, is 25. Youngest dad is 25. But for them, they don't have someone who's 25 in the group.
17, bro. And the oldest is
It's like 18 or 19. 2002.
Yeah.
Oh, so he's 23.
Yeah.
That's the leader.
That's why I call the TNBT grandfathers.
I'm
Because they're
24,
too old,
bro.
man. They're too old. They should quit music.
I'm 24.
No, TNBT should go.
Yeah. Are you in TNBT? Why are you speaking like I'm 24? Who told you you're in TNBT? The
Okay.
guy in TNBT has blonde and he has good hair. Who are you?
What is this?
What is this? Anyway, this all jokes, man. So now we're going to finish up with B2B Love Today. So this music video features Yunkwang, Minhyuk, Hyunsik, and Pinya. So who are promoting the song as part of their Be Today EP. Okay? It's just how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. As long as Yunkwang is here and Pinya, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Rain? Raindrops?
Sprite drops.
This is Sprite drops. It's raining Sprite in the country.
눈부신 그때 우리 돌아갈 수 있을까?
Wow, my boy.
I see the sunrise breaking through the dark. 애써 숨짓던 수많은 시간과 외로움만이 남겨진 거리. But I know the truth.
I love this
Let's
song.
turn the page, rewrite the lines tonight.
Wow.
주간의 별빛이 내 산속성 거지.
Wow.
손으로 던져봤지. When I'm bright, 내 맛 지우다. 내 집 뻗혀도 내일 보고 싶어 내일. 걸어 둘리 Africa not too late. Africa not too late. 우리 다 on the way.
Nice. Wow, Daniel.
눈부신 그때의 우리 어디쯤에 있을까? 어떤 하루 그때 무너져 내릴 만큼 슬플 땐 가도 돼 다른 무엇보다도 너를 믿기에 time to shine 눈부실 만큼 빛나는 모든 날 Yeah feels like I'm stuck in the dark alone and I've lost my step but everyone's got their own battles we know nothing about just keep moving forward soldier that's in order backtrack I'm not gonna fall back no I just need a breather it's okay to take a break it's okay yeah little mind
In English, bro. Good verse.
I'ma be alright
Hey. Come on. Hey.
눈부신 그때의 우리 이대로도 충분해
My
That's
God.
such a beautiful song.
Oh my God. This is the best
Mm.
for me today between the 7 songs. If I was told to choose.
Ah, such a beautiful song.
That was
The
amazing.
message of this is just comforting. Just
Amazing, bro. Shout out to Minhyu, Yancy, Pineal, and Yunko.
wow.
Who's the guy singing? Apart from Yunko. Is it Minhyu?
Yes. But
Yes.
also Minyu, sir.
Okay, who ended the
Min-
part? He was singing here at the end.
Minyu was the one who started rapping the first time.
Mm.
Then he came and sing again.
Mm. It was very nice. He was singing very well. Yunko. His vocals is top notch. And then Pineal represented who he is. He loves English. So
Yeah.
his rap was in full English, man. And it was very catchy, very meaningful.
That's why.
Soldier, I'm giving you an
Yeah,
order.
very
The
good.
moment they start,
The first guy,
Mm.
what's his name?
Minyu.
Yeah, Minhyu.
Yeah. The rapper.
Yeah, that's the name.
Yeah.
Ah.
Mm. You loved his rap a lot.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Me too. Also love Penny. Like, it was epic. I love it also
Such a
seeing
lovely song, man.
seeing him in a different visuals in this one. Decided to have long hair now. Even though we saw him somewhere, he had long hair apart from Kingdom. But now we can, it's even a different color.
Yeah.
It's epic. So that was a very nice song. Shout out to B2B, man. So this whole EP is just the 4 of them who are promoting the song as a part of their beat. I think it's only them. The future videos. The beat today. Let us know, guys. Let us know in the comments. But it was epic, man. It was a good diversity. So hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you again next time. Stay safe, stay tuned. Peace out.